Okay, hi, it's Casey with Sunshine Homestead. It's time to collect those eggs, so come on, let's do this. We don't got all day. Okay, let's see what we got in the first coop. We got 1, we got 2, that nice pretty speckled dark egg, and 3. So we got so far. Let's go in the other coop. Okay, let's go into the second coop. See what we got in here. Oh, don't start. Okay, we got 2, so that's 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Watch out where I'm sticking my head. This one's nice, so I'll get under her. 7, we got 8. We got 9, 10. And 11. That's not her egg. She lays a blue egg. 11. And this one. She stood up and give it to me. It's got a nice green egg. That's 12. I didn't even have nothing. Okay. And let's see what she's got. Oh, nothing. She must be laying still. Okay. I think it's 12. We'll come back for more later. Okay, I'm back in this coop checking for eggs. Spent a few hours. We had 12, so here's 13, 14, and 15. Those in my basket. And we got 16. One down in there is 17. Let's see if she's got any under her. She does. 18, 19. And her. Let's see. She's nice. She's got 1 too, so that's 20. Let's go get the other from the other coop. Okay, came into the other coop. We got 21. And one over here too. And 22. There we go. Okay, check see if there's any eggs in there in that back corner they like to lay.
Oh, there is one.
1? Okay. So we were at 22, so that's 23.
Yeah, look at this.
So we got 24.
Do it. I see one.
That's how many? 25?
Yep, 22.
Came to check again, and there's 26. Got that beautiful green egg again. Oh. I'm back in the coop, but we don't have a light, so that's 27. Let me check if she has any under her, because she moved, so that's kind of suspicious. So why she would move, yes. 27. And 28. So not 29 like yesterday, but still 28. Good. Well, 28 eggs. We had a lazy Sunday, so I hope you guys all had a blessed day. We are going to get the chickens all in and call it a night.